beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because we are making food. Anyone that knows me knows that decorating and eating food is one of my most favorite things in the world. So when going vegan, I was trying to find different things to eat other than oatmeal because oatmeal can get real boring sometimes. So I came across chia pudding. Let me tell you, it is so good. If you've never tried chia pudding, you've never lived. Okay, so today I'm showing you 3 amazing ways of having chia pudding. So we've got berry, we've got double chocolate banana, and we've got apple cinnamon. So after watching today's video, you will be put on to a new life because not only is it nutritious, it's super delicious and will have your taste buds going cray. So if you're interested in knowing how to make this, keep watching. And before we get onto the good stuff, if you're not already doing so, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with all your friends. And without further ado, let's get into this chia pudding. So we are kicking off this video with the berry chia pudding. Oh my god, this one is my fave. Okay, so starting off, we're gonna add half a cup of frozen berries into the blender with a full can of coconut milk. And then we're going to add half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and then 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. And then we're gonna blend her all up. When she's done blending, you're just gonna add the mixture into a large bowl. And then we're gonna add half a cup of chia seeds into the bowl. And then literally just mix it all up. And then pop her into the fridge. And you can wait either 4 hours or overnight. So this I made the night before, popped it into the fridge, and then, here you see it, in the morning it was ready, creamy, and oh so delicioso. So I put about half of it into a mason jar. So yeah, I would say it's about 2 portions. And then after I chopped up a few strawberries, and I'm kind of like just decorating it in the way that I want. So you don't have to use strawberries, but I find it's really good. Added some blueberries and my favorite cocoa nibs or cacao nibs, whatever you want to call it. And there you have it. Oh, so delicioso, berry chia pudding. Next up, we've got the double chocolate banana pudding. So to start off, half a cup of chia seeds into a bowl, 2/3 cup of almond milk. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of hemp hearts. And then we're gonna do 2/3 cup of water as well. And then 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This cocoa powder is actually like super pure from Ghana, because you know I'm from Ghana. And we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of my favorite maple syrup. And then we're gonna mix this bad boy up. You really wanna make sure you mix it super well so there's no chunks of cocoa powder in there. So you mix it all up and then pop it in the fridge, and then in the morning, there you have it. So you can see it's really like more solid than the berry one. So again, I put half of it into the mason jar, and then I chopped up my banana. I didn't put the full banana inside, I put about half the banana. And then after that, I put my cacao nibs inside. And there you have it. That is it. That is all. Look how good it looks. I hope you really try this out. So the next one, we've got the apple cinnamon with walnuts. It's so freaking good. This one's really good. So again, we're going to do half a cup of chia seeds and then add 2/3 cup of almond milk, half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and then I did 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, but I found that it was too much. So you can see that in the morning I ended up adding more almond milk to balance it out. So I would suggest putting something like half a tablespoon of cinnamon, and then store it in the fridge overnight. So again, this makes 2 servings, so I placed half of the mixture into a mason jar. I then first skinned all the skin off my apple because there's a lot of unwanted things on apples, if you didn't know. So make sure whenever you're having an apple, you skin it first. Then I cut it into cubes, and then I put maybe about half of it onto the chia pudding. I added some walnuts and some cinnamon and that's it, that's all. Oh, so freaking good. So I hope that you guys will give any of these 3 recipes a try, and if you do, make sure that you leave a comment below and let me know, and also hit me up on the gram at genergy.fitness. So I love you all, and I will see you in the next one.